Shiv Sena's youth arm Yuva Sena on Saturday filed a writ petition in the Supreme Court against the University Grants Commission's UGC decision to conduct final year examinations. Under the direction of Yuva Sena Chief and Maharashtra Cabinet Minister Mr. Aditya Thackeray. A statement by the organization pointed to the rising COVID cases in India, which crosses 10 lakh this week, and the fact that the country was the third most worst hit by the pandemic. Even in this highly worrying time, the Ministry of Human Resource Development MHRD and University Grants Commission UGC have announced that the final year examinations will be conducted in India by universities in the month of September 2020, keeping in mind the adoption of its guidelines. But ignoring the physical and mental health, anxiety and safety of the students across the country, the statements read. Yuva Sena said the 31 guidelines announced by the UGC to conduct final year exams will not be effective given by the severity of the pandemic. Bearing in mind, COVID has assumed monstrous proportions in India, and in the interest of the students, the body wrote letters to the UGC and the HRD Ministry on 9th May and July 7, 2020 respectively, requesting authorities to cancel the final year examinations. Instead, it suggested promoting students on the basis of an average of their marks. The youth wing also said the UGC could face challenges like paper checking, dates to declare examination results and admissions to postgraduate courses and delays therein, and network connectivity issues in rural areas in case the examinations are conducted online. The group also pointed out the major educational institutions like the IITs, the Government of Delhi, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Odisha, West Bengal and others who had already cancelled the examinations. Share your opinion in this matter with us in comment section below. For more news and updates, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.